All right, folks, here I go again with the second crime Victoria of the evening. Now, folks, stay with me on this one. I do have a lot of ground to cover. I'm gonna step it up. I'm looking forward not to making too many mistakes, but just stay with me, be patient, and I'll try to cover everything in one shot. All right, folks, this is gonna be a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 111,000 miles and only 724 idle hours. Original. Black from factory, vehicle does have scratches, and vehicle does have some chips on the front from road hazard. Okay, but the paint looks very good and it is very shiny. My detail crew did an amazing job bringing her back to life, and they took out whatever they could, and the rest remain. Obviously, vehicle does have some door dings as well. I believe it's got maybe about, I'm gonna say, 5 door dings. Okay, but nothing big or major to worry about. If I do catch them in between, I will point them out for you. And I can tell you right now, from this point of view, I can see 2 right here, 3 actually. One right here, and the second one 2, and then 3 right here. All right, vehicle has been completely serviced, folks. It's been detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. And let me tell you, she is in immaculate running condition and shape. All right, once again, original black from factory. She looks great, very intimidating going down the road. Folks, let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a fresh window tint. That's going to be 15% all around. Not too dark, not too light. Just dark enough to protect you from the sun. There she is. Black on black. Perfect color combination. Folks, this is going to be a flex fuel E85 OK. E85 OK. Folks, as you guys can see, I do have one hole on the trunk lid where the actual antenna is, which is this one. It's not up, it's just there for looks. If you need to take your car through an express car wash, feel safe that the antenna is going to stay put. It's not going to go anywhere. Once again, this is going to be a flex fuel unit. 2011 Crown Victoria Police Interceptor from the city of Vallejo, California. Yes, that is correct. From the city of Vallejo, California, folks. This is a California car, so there is no rust on her whatsoever. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that all 4 steel wheels have been reconditioned, repainted, and they are back to new looking condition as they were when the vehicle came out of the factory. Along with that, I got to tell you that the vehicle does have 4 brand new Firestone Firehawk Pursuit tires. The ones that came with the vehicle, they were dry rot, they weren't good, they didn't look safe, and I'm not gonna put you in danger that way. So folks, I went on eBay and I said, what the heck, let me go ahead and search, look up some Firestone Firehawks, and bam, $900. I got you a brand new set of rubber, folks. Let me tell you, once again, vehicle does have scratches, some scratches right there. You can see it, it's black, so it kind of hides. And door ding 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you guys can kind of see them right there, or maybe not, but folks, just know that the door dings are there. Okay, let me backtrack. Vehicle does have a good set of new use spotlights with regular unity lenses. When the vehicle first arrived, there were no spotlights in place, and I wanted to go ahead and give the car the original look, so I put everything back in place the way it was. Lucky for me, I do have a lot of Crown Victoria parts laying around that I'm not getting around to use as much, so whatever Crown Victorias I have in my stack, guess what? They're getting a lot of new parts just for kicks. All right, so a good set of used spotlights that they do work, and with that I also gave you a brand new set of OEM headlamps. That is correct. OEM headlamps are new by Ford factory. Front grille was reconditioned and recovered. I had that painted as well so that it looks new and it matches the whole front end of the car. If you stay with me here, folks, you kind of see little white dots on the hood. Radiator support, those are little chips. Okay, those are little chips. I also do have some bird stains right there, folks. Those don't come out. You got some bird stains right there, here, and then on top of the roof. Once again, I gotta show you everything that I have going on this unit right here, so that you don't call me and say, hey Mario, you didn't say anything about that. No, we're not gonna have that issue here. I'm gonna make sure that I cover everything with you. I got 5 minutes, so I need to hurry up. Just go inside real quick, folks, and continue my tour here for you on this beautiful hot summer Friday. Feeling like already it feels like summer. All right, here we go. It's got a matching interior with all C-bus and buckles are in place. Doesn't need anything. The vinyl floor is in immaculate run. It's in immaculate condition. It's not torn, not beat. Rear doors have been fully reassembled, so they are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. Once again, I have a lot of parts, and I'm using everything on my Crown Victorias, guys. I'm not throwing anything away. And some of these cars do have a lot of new parts. This is going to be a Zebra 5 rear axle. Zebra 5 rear axle. Let me get this out the way. Just put it right there. Vinyl floor is in perfect condition, folks. I did have the vinyl floor. I took it out of the vehicle myself. I took the whole interior out, took the floorboard out, washed it, degreased it, and repainted it so she looks new all over again. All right. Electric seats. I put it back in place. No problems, no hiccups. I know what I'm doing. Trust me, I got you covered. Electric seats. Working retractable pedals right there. Let me clean this up here real quick. Working retractable pedals here. Working traction control on and off switch. Working cruise control. How it works. You're getting a brand new aftermarket center console. 1 key. Driver's side seat is in good shape. Passenger side seat, I don't think nobody ever sat there, so it looks new. I think this was an unmarked unit, judging by the way this vehicle is. Let's continue. The clock is ticking. Oh my goodness, I gotta hurry up. Perfect dash. This switch does work. You can see the light come on. I will try to show you what that is in a minute. Lights do work. 1 key. I'm gonna try to give you a secondary key here as a backup. Let's go ahead and fire her up. There you go. Pressure lights are off. Vehicle does have 111,000 miles. I'm responsible so far for 313 miles driven on this vehicle. That's what I'm responsible for. 724 idle hours, folks. Here we go. Stereo does work. YouTube, I'm not. I forgot what my disclaimer. YouTube, please. I forgot what I was gonna say. YouTube, don't worry. I'm not promoting the song. Okay? Do not mute my video. Working air conditioner, nice and cold. Let's get to the trunk real quick. I already lost time. Am I forgetting anything here? Nope, hope not. Let me step it up here, guys, because I have 12 minutes and I got a lot to talk about. I do have a matching used spare tire. That's what came with the vehicle. Hold down pen inside, floor jack right there. A Kevlar with this vehicle right here. So what you see is what you're gonna get right here, folks. And missing fire extinguisher. This is how the car came, okay? This is the trunk. What you see is what you're gonna get. I think I was trying to say YouTube, I'm not responsible for the song or something. I don't YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. That's what I meant to say about 60 seconds ago. Ah, my goodness. Working LED strobes, fresh new headlights. All right, folks, starting right to left, brand new air filter, throttle body wheel service and clean out. I do have a new Motorcraft Platinum spark plug, full synthetic 520, oil service and filter on this one. Tensioner, pulley, drive belt, or these 3 components are new by Gates. Once again, all 3 components are new by Gates, as you guys can see. Vehicle does have new battery. Brakes are at 75% all around, so I didn't have to do brakes on this one. Air conditioner is nice and cold. They did have the AC system recharge in this unit. and the orifice tube was replaced as well down there. Folks, an A+ here before I forget. That transmission was fully rebuilt as well when I first got the car. Third gear was slipping. I picked it up after the fact the vehicle was here. So I did have the same transmission fully rebuilt. Cost me about $1,650 to be exact, and it does have 6 months warranty. That's all I got. Let's get in here real quick. Oh my God, come on. Alright, as you guys can see, I always like to get in between the radiator and the condenser. And I'm running my summer campaign on my vehicles right now. I gotta make sure all the dust bunnies and dirt are cleared out of the vents. And I only do that because when you're on the road and it's 100 degrees out there on the freeway, we want to have air going right into the engine with no obstructions getting in between there, okay? So everything has been cleaned out. And please don't worry, I do have the fasteners for the top radiator support, and I will put those out of all the days, and I will put that back in place once we're done with the video here. But it is for show and tell. Am I forgetting anything else? Nope. New tires? Nope. We're good. Rear differential was fine, and the vehicle also does have a brand new fuel filter. Alright folks, this is it. I managed to get it done within 12 minutes, and I told you that the little lights, the switch does work. You got the strobes, they're clear, so they are completely legal to have. It's got 4 working clear strobes and front wig wax. Alright guys, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed week out there, a blessed weekend. Thanks for watching. God bless and take care. And I'm sorry I had to hurry up, but 12 minutes, I had to get it all in there, and I kept getting stuck in a few parts. So here you go guys. Thank you. Bye.